guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, some your favorite. So today I'm on schedule. I'll be making cloud slime. So what you'll be needing is instant snow, bowl, something to mix with. You can use anything really. Some activator and some glue. So let's get on with the video. Oh, and you need boiling hot water, which I have right here, but I don't want to show you because you might get burnt. So yeah, first you want to add your glue. And by the way, I'm in a very weird setup because my stand broke, so I can't do it like how I usually do it. So yeah, next we're going to over-activate this slime, so I'm going to add quite a lot of activator. I am starting to use proper borax, since before I used to use slime borax. This one is actual borax now, and I think I might have added a teensy bit of borax, a lot more than what you're supposed to do. So I'm just going to turn this into slime, and I will probably be right back. Okay, yeah, so this is the slime. It's not over-activated, so I do need to add some more activator. Sorry, guys. Oh, my God. So let me add some more activator. That much should do. Okay, yeah, so here's the slime. I'm not sure if it actually does supposed to turn jiggly when you use borax, because you have to use water to do the borax. So I wasn't too sure, so it still is a tiny bit jiggly, but yeah, and it's really overactivated, which is nice because when you do add your instant snow to your slime, it does turn a lot waterier and a lot stickier. So let's get the instant snow ready. Right, so you need your bowl and you need your instant snow. I might use a little bit. I might use all of it, but measure how much I'm using. Sorry, guys. I don't know. But you do want to make sure that your bowl is clean, but mine wasn't, but who cares? So let's add the water. You don't want to turn it into slush. So this is snow, guys. Oh, I've never actually felt slime. I mean, snow, instant snow. Weird. It goes everywhere. Okay, guys, don't do what I just did. Okay, guys, so here's my other activated slime. Now I'm going to add my instant snow. Gradually. That's how much I'm going to add, because I've heard if you do add too much, it doesn't really turn into the instant snow slime that you need. I'm not sure if it's called instant snow slime, but yeah. So as you can see, it is starting to get like very sticky. So let me just needle this in. Okay, guys, this is my final product. It's really horrible. I suggest you don't make this kind of slime in the UK. So thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please leave a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know what I did wrong, okay? Bye, guys.